Welcome back, folks, to another episode of Midlife Models from Ruin to Refresh. PJ here, and this time we're going to be doing yet another DMC challenge. This month it's our 1/64 scale event, and I've chosen a number 42 Bedford evening news van made in England by Lesney. It should have a banner across the top, which I've already made cut out a piece of styrene to replace. So we'll be putting some decals on that. Not the most complicated model that you're ever going to do, but yeah, let's see what we can do with this one. We'll get the tools out. It shouldn't take much to take it to pieces, and we'll see what we can do with this one. And I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. welcome to the reveal, folks, of our Lesney Matchbox number 42 Bedford Evening News van. Not the most complicated build, this one, but there were a couple of things that I had to do that I don't normally do, which was making new axles and creating some decals. They're always good fun to do, decals are, especially if they work out, and these ones appear to be okay, so I'm pretty pleased with that. So this is our entry into the Diecast and Modelers community, the DMC monthly challenge, and this one is the 1/64 scale. Coming up next, we've got any banger vehicle in August. So if you would like to take part, come and visit us on Facebook. It's our DMC Facebook group, and on a Friday nights you can even come and chat to us virtually in our tavern. So my thanks as always go to the rest of the guys that take part in these challenges. It wouldn't be worth doing it without them. And thank you for watching the video. So this is PJ signing off till next time, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.